Hello folks, welcome to Yardie Belly's kitchen. This is Yardie Belly and Sister Yardie Belly.
Yeah.
So today we'll do some poor people food. A poor people food? No, not poor people.
No.
We just do some nice food, yeah, man.
We'll do some crazy food.
Yeah, we'll cook up some shrimps and some codfish or saltfish. In Jamaica we say saltfish. I want to big up all my subscribers. I want to say hello to you before I even start.
Hi guys.
I remember continue to subscribe. I remember check out me.
Continue to subscribe. Them only need to subscribe one time.
Yeah, continue to watch a video them and like them and share them and them something there.
Yeah.
And check out my GoFundMe page because I have a dream, you see? I would love to own a food truck and then I could cook some crazy stuff and come in your neck of the woods and cook some crazy stuff. Anyway, today we cook some shrimps and something. Watch this. I have some shrimps here and I just cuss my wife because she take the head them off of the shrimps and throw them away. And I'm telling her they could make beautiful stock. And then we're going to put the shrimps now with some saltfish. And here the wifey has gone ahead and she has cleaned this up, boiled it a little bit to get out the salt. She has desalinated the fish.
Big word.
Red, foreign word. And now we're gonna start the ball rolling. Alright? The pot will just add some coconut oil. And I'm now gonna put in my my seasonings real quick because we don't want this coconut oil to burn at all. Alright, I'm adding half of an onion and maybe 4 cloves of garlic. And I don't really do recipes, folks, so bear with me. You know, I don't do recipes. The wifey don't want me to show the burner because we put file on the burner then to try and preserve them. And every now and then the file get dirty. See? File get dirty. But we burn a clean underneath it. See? Hey, my people them for my subscribers, they're my family, you know. You know, they're my family?
Yeah.
Them like we. So them now complain about the burner. Alright, so I'm gonna add that something there to the something. I'm gonna put a couple stalks of thyme. Thyme. That thyme mean wetter. I'm gonna keep the fire low as I say. I keep the flames low because I don't want the shrimp to burn. I'm gonna add the shrimp now. Cause this is like a stir fry dish, you know. You understand? You know, I didn't even marinate these shrimps in nothing. I'm gonna add some garlic powder now, especially on the shrimp. You see how this thing is nice. Then anything in a seafood, you can add some lemon pepper. Anything in a seafood, you can add lemon pepper. And then, as usual, we have to kick it up a little bit with some cayenne pepper. That's what is? Wait, what that name? What name, see? Cayenne pepper. May I touch it with a little bit adobo. I don't really use the adobo more than so still, but you know, in this case, we want it for permeate. What we want it for do? Permeate. See? Shrimp start get pink. Turn up the stove a little bit so that the shrimp get pink.
5 for me and 2 for you and 1 for Josh.
So here we have it, folks. Trust me.
Lord.
The food turn up like 7-Up.
Jesus.
The dumpling looks so divine. It is very intelligent. I notice the potato them, we not bother cut the potato them because you don't want it. Them potato, them so nice, you don't really want them for, you know, mash out in the pot. And then we have the avocado.
And the
shrimp. It looks so intelligent right now. This is real yard food. Yeah? Remember, ladies and gentlemen, you don't have to do it like average. You don't have to do it like Monday, and you don't have to do it like everybody. You have to do your thing better than everybody. And different than everybody. Try this in your neck of the wood, no? Yardie belly in a foreign. Big up all of my peoples. Hey, that's how we said the thing. Up, 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 like 7 up.